Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates for personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Meron din siya sarili niyang YouTube guys. Feel free to check her out. And if you want, pwede ka rin magpa-personal reading sa akin. Pumunta ka lang sa TikTok. Hanapin mo na lang yung Unipree. And meron tayong mga specific bracelet na may kasama siyang tarot reading, astrological reading, or palm reading. Pwede ka mamili doon. By the way, nakaamoy ako ng chicharon. This could be a reading. What do we have here for fire sign, please? For fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius for fire sign. Okay, for fire sign, anong messages para sa mga fire sign? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, let's do this. Fire sign. Ano yung messages para sa mga fire sign? Main energy mo, you do have here the Two of Pentacles, followed by the Moon. And para sa person na kakonect mo, meron ka ditong Ten of Swords and the Knight of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands and the Seven of Cups. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, I feel like you're focusing sa iyong priorities. And nakakita tayo dito na with the Moon, I feel like you're hiding something sa sarili mo ngayon. And pagdating sa ibang tao, I'm seeing a lot of secrets mula sa iyo. And some of you, pwedeng something to do with kung bakit nag-end yung connection ninyo ng person na ito. Nakita ko ng person wherein this person loves you a lot, kaya siya nagbibigay or maaaring may ibinigay siyang offer sa'yo, may mga sinabi siya sa'yo na naging dahilan para hindi ka gumawa ng actions or maaaring natakot ka na mag-take ng actions. But anyway, with the Two of Pentacles, mas una mong inisip yung mga priorities mo. And so, pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng pag-isolate or pag-iwas or paglayo na ginawa dito sa person na to, which is nakapagpasakit talaga ng husto dito sa taong ito. But anyway, let's get more messages for you, fire sign. For the sign of fire sign, please. Okay, you do have here the Knight of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. The Chariot, the Six of Swords, and the Two of Swords. Okay, so I don't know if you're dealing with an air sign. Parang pareho lang yung energy na kukuha ko. But anyway, this could be a reading. If you're dealing with an air sign, pwede rin hindi, guys, pero high chance lang. The Knight of Wands, nakikita natin yung passion or yung emotion and love mo towards this person. Pero might be nakikita mo na mas better siya. Mas may nakikita kang some of you feel like this person is better kesa sa situation na meron ka ngayon. And isa ito sa nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang ayaw mong sumugod or parang pinanghinaan ka ng loob. Ayan, or ayaw mong i-take kasi ano na lang i-offer ko or ano namang meron ako, parang I want to make myself better first, no? And magkaroon ng growth muna sa sarili ko. Ang pinaka nakuha ko dito is that you have your own insecurities, especially financially. Kaya parang mas pinili mo na munang tumahimik or wag makipag-connect or wag gawin yung mga actions na deep inside na gusto mo talagang gawain papunta sa kanya. And then with this person, nakita tayo ng desisyon na i-isolate or mag-move on na lang with the Chariot, umalis na lang sa connection na ito. Kasi although naghihintay siya, no, kasi with the star, matindi talaga pag gusto nitong person na to. Pero with the Six of Wands, feeling niya wala siyang ng chance, no? Lalo na naramdaman niya 'yon dahil wala ka namang mga ginawang actions. And if ever nag-take ka ng actions, hindi yun yung action na ini-expect niya or gusto niya. And I feel like you are a very artistic person, pero hindi mo ipinapakita yon, yung galing mo sa arts. And I feel like some of you, pwede mo pang pagkakitaan yon, but I don't know why you're not using this. Hindi mo siya pinapakita or hindi mo siya um, inilalabas sa iba. Okay, meron kang mga sarili mong talento, artistic na talents, or maybe talento na pwede may kinalaman sa pwedeng pagkanta, yan, ganyan. Pero but you're not using it, and yung iba pwede mo talaga siyang pagkakitaan. Pwedeng kasi mahiyain ka, kaya niyo magawa yon, etc. Anyway, let's move on to your future for the sign of fire sign. Future reading for the sign of fire sign. Okay, you do have here the Hanged Man and the Eight of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Clarify the Hanged Man, please. The Ace of Swords. Okay. So, pagdating sa side ng person na ito, you have the Seven of Cups, the Ten of Cups, and the King of Cups. Okay, bottom of the deck, you do have here the Queen of Swords and the Ace of Wands, Four of Wands, and the Sun. Ayan. So, ang nakikita natin dito, actually, with the Ace of Swords, this is you, na ang kalaban mo is talagang yung utak mo eh. Kasi nga, dahil dun sa mga iniisip mo, kaya hindi ka makapag-take ng actions regarding sa taong ito or sa talagang gusto mo. Hindi lang sa taong ito. Mas nauuna sa'yo yung isip mo with regard sa mga gagawin mong actions pagdating sa buhay. Ayan. Katulad nga ng pagpapalabas ng talents na yan, ng mga skills na yan, na sa totoo lang, pwede mo naman talagang pagkakitaan. Kaya lang, mas nauuna na sa isip mo, ano na sasabihin ng friends ko, ganito, ganyan. So, dahil doon sa mga iniisip mo na yon, there's a high chance na naka-hold on ka pa rin sa mga bagay na yan or hindi ka makaalis sa iyong comfort zone. This is you with the Hanged Man. Very stagnant energy, walang kagalaw-galaw. And it is you na ang kalaban mo talaga dito is yung sarili mo. If you're thinking na hindi kasi may mga taong nagsasabi sa akin ganto ganyan, ganyan, or some of you, if you are in another relationship, another connection, pwedeng yun din ang nagiging dahilan. But I can see a lot of toxicity kasi nakita ko dito na naghahawak sa'yo is, yan, kasi there's ahas. And maybe you don't like this kasi this is a toxic connection, toxic relationship, pero hindi ka pwedeng gumalaw dahil magagalit yung ahas, pwedeng gano'n, magagalit yung person na yan, or pwedeng hindi pwedeng ganyan. But you have the sword here with the Ace of Swords. So, kayang-kaya mong umalis or kaya mong alisan yung sitwasyon na yan kung pipiliin mong lumaban. And you do have the Eight of Wands. I feel like there's a beautiful future ahead of you naghihintay para sa'yo. There's an equal give and take with the Six of Pentacles, pero kailangan mo lang talagang mag-take ng risk. With the Queen of Swords, ayan, you need to cut off these people or mga taong nagsasabi sa'yo ng mga dapat mong gawain, and you should let go of those friends na very toxic para sa'yo with the Ace of Wands. Yan. And nakita tayo ng happiness and stability for you with the Four of Wands. If you want to be happy, ayan, kailangan mo munang manakit with the Five of Cups or masaktan. And with regards to this person, yan, I can see King of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. Nakakita tayo ng beautiful beginning or beautiful ending kung i-accept mo itong taong ito. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.